Hi guys, in the comment under my last video you requested for me to share with you how you can get involved in exchange traded funds, how you can start investing in exchange traded funds, and I'm here again with the juice. How can you start investing in exchange traded funds? The first thing you need to do is to register on an investment platform. Did you get that? You need to register on an investment platform. There are a large number of investment platforms depending on where you are. There are platforms like Vanguard, Interactive Investor, Lansdowne, AJ Bell, You Invest, Robinhood. Depending on your country of location, there are lots of investment platforms that you can register on. So get on that Google and start looking. Once you register on an investment platform, you need to open an investing account. In the UK, the best account to open is the Stocks and Shares ISA account. Once you have an investing account opened, you can start buying your exchange traded funds. You only need £100 to get started in the UK. Now, there are two exchange traded funds that I'm particularly partial to, and both of them do exactly the same thing. They expose you to the 500 largest, companies in the United States, and they are the Vanguard S&P 500 fund and the UBS S&P 500 fund. If you go to my YouTube channel, I list a lot of other exchange traded funds you can buy. There are real estate funds, there are manufacturing funds, there are technology funds, there are a lot of exchange traded funds that you can get your money into, and they spread you across the whole market. So ladies and gentlemen, it's time for you to start investing in exchange traded funds. See you.